Right, so here I am, waiting at red light. I'm on the C200 today, and I've got a backpack full of that, full of tools, and I'm gonna try and get to good old Rykas Cafe today. See how this goes. Am I a bit nervous? I guess so, a little bit. It's the furthest journey I've done on this bike. If it can do Rykas with no issues at all, then it can do further distances. Because this goes to Rykas, this is its paces, nice little country back roads, and some hill climbs. Maybe we won't attempt the hill climbs today though. Right, let's go. Something's gone wrong. Something has gone wrong. It's just died. And it's dead. And it's dead. Oh, what happened there? And it's dead. Right, is that fuel running out, or is there something more serious? It made a backfire, so... Right, what went wrong here? It's a nice day at least. Let's see, for instance, if it's fuel. Come on in. Could be the petrol. Let's see, if I was going downhill, which I was for a long time, all the fuel would have sloshed to the front. So it could have just been a fueling issue. So let's put this in reserve. I'll have to go fill up. That means... Okay, let's hope it's fuel. I could just feel it dying as I was coming down here. It started dying. I was like, yes, that's lost all its power. So, let's give it a minute. Started revving a bit high, didn't it? So I'm going to guess it's the fuel. Nearest fuel station on the way. There is a fuel station on the way, so I can get to there, I think. If I just don't ride flat out, go a bit slower maybe. I'm good, I think so. Okay, and... that was just fuel. So going downhill, all the fuel must have crossed to the front. Cool. Okay, it's just fuel then. Oh, panic over. Panic over. Oh dear, that was a bit scary. I was like, okay, so I need to get fuel. So the nearest fuel station is not far away. So I don't know, the thing is, I don't have a tachometer. Going downhill again when we run out of fuel. Interesting. Really? Right, hill climb first. Not doing so well today, are we? This is pretty abysmal. I'm flat out, can't do it. Just stopped for a snack, a little walk round, a little break, and just to absorb the sun. My chain's a bit loose. Luckily, I have the tools with me to loosen it, tighten it, loosen this bolt, and tighten the chain just a smidgen. It's just, you know, it's just a little bit loose, as you can see. It just needs to be a bit tighter. It's gone the wrong way, you idiot. So, one turn. Right, how tight is that now? Oh, I settled it. That seems alright. Right, well, I don't know if that caught any of that, but basically just tighten the chain up. It's a bit loose. Got a weird SD card error. Anyway, yes, I think time to head home. I should be home within an hour and a bit, I hope. Yes, right. Ugh, dirty. Right. Okay. Probably need to get a new chain and sprocket kit for this bike. because there's a slight tight spot in the chain, but other than that it's okay. So new chain and sprocket, redo the front headlight as the bulb's blown. Other than that though, hey, engine wires and everything, it seemed to be pretty okay. Could I go on a longer trip on this? I don't know, let's go home first and then I'll decide if I want to or not. Right, off we go. Yeah, this GoPro Hero 9, apart, it's fantastic quality and everything, just it's really annoying about the SD card error issue that I've had a couple of times. Happened with my 64 gig that came with the camera. So I don't think it's the SD cards, and I tried another SD card, same thing. It sometimes happens, sometimes doesn't, but it's very annoying. And if you just want to ride sometimes, you don't want to have to faff around with the camera turning on and off to try and clear this error. Don't understand why it happens, it just does. But they need to patch that. So I still think that the GoPro Hero 9 is still fantastic, but temperamental. The Hero 3 that I had, the black edition, was temperamental to begin with as well, but they patched that, so even go back to the Hero 1, they had problems. Right, okay, off we go.